Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Realme. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Personalizations. After that, click on Font and Display Size and tap on the best font style for you. You can see a preview above. When you're ready to save your new style, click on Apply and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!